In Sarasota's humid climate, your roof can collect algae, mold, mildew, dirt, and organic buildup faster than many homeowners realize. That buildup does more than make the roof look dirty. Over time, it can affect curb appeal, trap moisture, and shorten the life of your roofing materials if it is not properly maintained. Roof cleaning is an important part of home maintenance. A clean roof helps protect the appearance of the home and supports the longevity of roofing materials. Roof cleaning may help homeowners avoid larger repair issues later. Florida homes often deal with humidity, frequent rain, heat, trees, and shade, all of which contribute to stains and buildup. Roof cleaning is not just about making your home look better, it is also about protecting one of the most important parts of your property. When organic buildup sits on a roof for too long, it can trap moisture and place unnecessary stress on the roofing surface. Professional cleaning helps remove that buildup safely. A roof can take up a large part of what people see from the street. When it is clean, the whole home looks better. In Florida, algae and mildew are common roof problems that thrive in humid, shaded areas. Professional cleaning can remove visible staining and help reduce the conditions that allow buildup to spread. Roof cleaning is part of a smart maintenance plan and gives homeowners a chance to identify potential concerns early. Routine cleaning is often less expensive than waiting until issues become larger repairs. For many roofs, soft washing is the safer and more effective method because it cleans without blasting the surface with unnecessary pressure. Traditional high-pressure washing may be useful for hard exterior surfaces, but roofs require a more careful approach depending on the material. Sustainable roof care means using methods and products that are effective while being mindful of landscaping and runoff. Biodegradable cleaning agents, controlled rinsing, and professional techniques help protect both the roof and the surrounding property. Regular professional roof cleaning using low-pressure methods can preserve roofing materials, improve curb appeal, and reduce long-term costs. If you live in Sarasota or nearby, consider scheduling a professional inspection and soft wash to keep your roof in good shape. Prioritizing gentle, environmentally responsible roof care protects your home and your investment over the long term.